This home is brought to you by Darren Webb of Team Webb at Century 21 Goodyear Green. Beautiful gem in Tuscany villa with tons of updates throughout home. Entry opens to living room west/fireplace and built-ins plus backyard access. LRG kitchen updated west/farmer sink and faucet, gas range, dishwasher, island west/storage, tons of cabinet and work area, quartz countertop and tile backsplash and 2 pantries. LRG laundry area is off kitchen west/garage access. Dining area is open to kitchen along west/breakfast bar. LRG master suite has DBL sinks, walk-in shower, jetted tub and walk-in closet west/storage plus backyard access. Secondary bedrooms include 2 bedrooms in the front sharing hall bath west/2 sinks, tub/shower combo plus 2 hall storage closets. Back bedroom could be mother-in-law suite west/private bedroom west/walk-in shower, subway tile and 2 closets. Updates include ceiling fans throughout, new lighting in living/dining and kitchen plus new flooring in bedrooms, living and dining area and updated landscaping.